Welcome to Project Vapelight. Today I'll be showing you how to make a little soldering helping hands holder for your electronics projects. We'll be using this little block of wood and some alligator clips. We're using AWG10 wire, solid core. It's 5mm in outer diameter, and we'll make some holes to accommodate it. It's not an exact science, and you can put holes anywhere you want. I just want some semblance of symmetry here. Now I'm sanding it down to give it a better surface finish and take off the pencil marks that I put earlier. We'll be coating it in linseed oil. You can see how it changes the color of the wood and makes the grain pop out just that little bit more. Cutting up this 10 gauge wire was a bit of a hassle, but we got it done nonetheless. I had to bring out the big boy cutters for this one. Stripping it was pretty easy. Now I'm changing out the soldering tip for a wide-faced one, just so that it would be a little bit easier applying heat to the alligator clip and 10 gauge wire. I used a lot of flux here. I put some heat shrink tubing on the teeth of the alligator clips, as well as on the wire itself. Now, on the wire it doesn't really do anything except cover my nasty soldering joints, but it does make it look pretty damn cool. I guess also it helps that I can tell apart which hands are which. Now putting it all together, we squirt some glue into the hole and shove the wire down the hole with the glue. Now if you were going to use some thinner gauge wire like 12 or 14, you probably need a small drill bit. And it might be a bit more flexible, but I wanted something real durable. Here's a clip of the intended use case, holding small components while we present wires to them. Now here it is in its full glory and full capability of holding a PCB. And see how sturdy it is. It's not gonna go anywhere. Thanks for watching, hope you found this helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe.